Nodes are an essential component on the blockchain. And depending on the blockchain, each node is designed and actually used for different reasons. But essentially what nodes truly do is they provide security, and they also provide correctness of data, if that's even a word, whether it's validating or verifying or adding data to the blockchain. Nodes work together to be able to strengthen the security of that blockchain. But imagine nodes, it's not just one that's a node. Imagine it's like a virtual tower, and that tower is providing signals, and all these nodes are connected to each other in consensus, working together to make sure that the data on the blockchain is added clearly and everything is being agreed upon. Very complex. Now today, I'm not going to really educate you so much on nodes. We'll make sure that we'll have a video on that. But today I'm going to talk to you about a project, a protocol called StrongBlock. This is a project that is actually working within the Ethereum network, and it's actually been able to actually create a done for you model that they take the guessing game out, they take away the complexity out, and as long as you actually work through their protocol, then you can actually essentially create your own node easily compared to doing it yourself. And you can actually generate passive rewards for doing so, all of which is designed to strengthen the Ethereum network. So stay tuned, you're gonna be excited because we're gonna give you a quick review on StrongBlock right here on this video. All right guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you all the ways that you can generate passive income within the digital space. My name is Tuan, and I'm excited to actually be here to share with you today's video. But before I do so, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so that way we can always notify you every single time we have a new video uploaded, so you can see all the exciting ways that the DeFi space is allowing you to be able to generate passive income right here, right now. So today we're going to talk about StrongBlock. This is actually really interesting, okay? I've learned about StrongBlock about 2 weeks ago, and I started actually learning about it. I've actually had some friends reach out to me, ask me, have you heard of StrongBlock before? And I didn't really know what it was. You know, I understand what nodes were. I've done enough research to understand how nodes work intricately within the blockchain. I've never really mined Bitcoin. I've never really mined Ethereum. Now, I've actually worked in different projects, raised capital towards a mining farm or stuff like that. But essentially, I don't really actually host my own mining rigs, if you will, right? Just the thought, the idea, the complexity behind it is just too overwhelming for me. I'm more of a digital guy, if that makes sense. I like generating passive rewards using my computer or leveraging digital technology. And that's just really more my style. Hopefully that's your style as well. And then when I learned about StrongBlock, I was very impressed the fact that you can actually host and really run your own nodes digitally, and you're leaning on the Strong network to be able to actually deal with all the technical stuff. And they've actually streamlined the entire process. Now, this actually entire project is actually built on a smart contract, which what it means is that it's decentralized. You know, all the payments that that you do are actually auto executed through code, and so you can feel confident that you know, you working through this is a lot safer than other projects out there because it is decentralized. And so what is StrongBlock? Well, first of all, StrongBlock provides a service where you can create your own node, and you can basically host this node, activate the node, and actually let it run. While it's running and whether it's validating or verifying data on the Ethereum network, you're actually earning rewards for hosting this node. Now this node is yours, okay? And so it's basically helping you generate passive rewards by just owning this node, and all you're doing is you're strengthening the Ethereum network. Now I'm going to keep it very very conservative with my education today, because today I just want to give you a quick review, introduce you to StrongBlock, and then over time I'm going to go a lot more deeper with it. But what's cool about it is you can go to strongblock.com, and then you can scroll on the bottom and you can actually click on frequently asked questions. And right here, it actually gives you some of the details that you might ask is, what are nodes? And I understand that when you read it, some of you that are very new, you're like, I still don't understand. But nodes provide crucial blockchain data, yet aren't traditionally rewarded. So there's no reason to stay in compliance. To solve this, StrongBlock allows you easily to launch compliant nodes and earn rewards. Like I said, basically, it's usually not a popular thing to do, but what they've done is they've made it simplified that you can actually host and run your own node, and all you're doing is that you're actually verifying, you're uploading data, and it's all about creating correctiveness of the data, because basically it's all about working consensus. All these nodes are working with each other to verify the data, so that way everything is correct. And so you can do my node confirm transactions. No, your node is not a validator or miner type of node. So there's several different types, many different types of nodes out there. And again, my goal is to keep it really simple. So you can actually visit all this. There's a lot of frequently asked questions here. It should actually help you out. But let's kind of give you an idea of how the nodes can actually benefit you. So now you understand you can host the node, you can actually earn passive rewards from it, and it's actually not difficult. See, you can click on create your node. Once you click create your node, you're gonna actually fill out some basic information. You want to connect your wallet. Now, the wallet you're gonna connect is your MetaMask wallet, which of course, this project is built on the Ethereum network. So you want to click on connect wallet. You want to make sure you connect your MetaMask. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Of course, I show you guys a lot on my MacBook. So I do have my MetaMask attached to my Chrome extension. Now, if you actually don't know how to do that, on the very, very top, I will actually have a video that I recorded in the past that actually shows you, if you don't have a MetaMask wallet, number one, I'll have that video above so that you can actually download MetaMask. I'll give you instructions on how to do that. And then the second thing is, if you don't actually have it attached to a Chrome extension, I'll make sure that all the instructions is actually up on there as well. So basically, now that you've already attached your MetaMask to your Chrome extension, you would connect it. So once you've connected your MetaMask wallet to your Ethereum network, so now you are in sync with the smart contract. So right here, it's very simple. You can actually create your node, and you only can do 100 nodes max. So once you click on create your node, then you're gonna fill out some basic information from your node name, your node description, and you want to agree to a monthly maintenance. So the great thing about StrongBlock is that there's a lot of complexity behind running your own node, but what they've done is they've streamlined it, and basically by agreeing to a monthly maintenance of $14.95, calculate and payable as basis points of an Ethereum at the time of sign up, and every month thereafter. I understand that failure to pay monthly fee within 30 days due date will result to smart contract automatically removing the node. I also agree to the node application policy and terms and services. So basically, once you agree to that, basically they've done a very streamlined system where you're paying, this is not auto withdrawal, okay? You're gonna have to do it manually every 30 days, $14.95 paid in Ethereum. And basically they're going to be hosting, they're helping you streamline all the back-end maintenance, and all you have to do is just buy the node and let it run. In order for you to activate your node, you're going to need a total of 10 strongs to activate it. Okay, so what I mean by strong is that StrongBlock has their own token. So I pulled up CoinGecko, and currently right now at the time of recording this video, Strong is currently valued at $800. Now here's what's interesting. 90 days ago, I think this was 90 days ago. Let me go and make sure. Yep, 90 days ago, Strong was valued at $227. Now, remember, to actually activate your node or to get your node running, you need a total of 10 strongs. Once you actually put 10 strongs, or you stake 10 strongs into your node, basically you cannot withdraw those 10 strongs back. You're putting it in there. Essentially, think of it like you're purchasing it. The great news about it is that this node is yours. It belongs to you, and you decide that you can do whatever you want with it. You can actually sell it peer-to-peer to somebody else, and that's not a problem at all. That's at your discretion. But essentially, you put 10 strongs in, and that is going to activate your node. Now, by the way, on your 10 contribution of Strong, 10% of it, it'll be divided up or distributed in the following manner: 10% future use, 10% to Strong, Ethereum, and Link Strong pools for rewards, 20% into Strong pool, and 6% into node rewards pool. So all of this can be verified on the blockchain, so you can see exactly what's going on. But essentially, you're putting 10 strongs in and you activate the node, and as simple as 24 hours, you're going to start earning Strong tokens every single day. Now, how much Strong do you earn? Currently, you're actually getting paid 0.10 Strong a day consistently. Okay, so every single day you're going to earn 0.10. So right now, like I said, at the time of recording this video, Strong is worth $800. So 0.10 of $800, you're earning $80 a day. So after 10 days, you would actually earn one full Strong. That's $800. Given the fact that the value of Strong doesn't go up, and within 30 days, you're gonna earn 3 Strongs. So that's again, at the time of recording this video, that's $2,400 in terms of US dollar value. And within 3.5 months, you'll be able to earn what you were able to put in contribution towards activating your node. So after 3.5 months, you'll have enough to actually purchase, at your discretion, purchase another node. Now, once you purchase another node, then now instead of earning $80 a day, you're earning $160 a day. And instead of actually being able to get whatever you did in contribution in 3.5 months, you're able to actually get it done within 1.75 months. And then at that point, once you've earned enough, you can actually buy another node and be able to continue to compound. And that is what you can do with this type of model. Now, I know the question is that will I always earn 0.10 a day? Currently, right now, that we are recording this video, I keep saying that because the crypto market is very volatile. It changes all the time. And right now, based on how the node is paying out, it is paying out consistently 0.10 a day. But it will come to a time where the way how these nodes are designed, it's going to go through what's called halving, which means that the rewards that it's actually paying you will eventually cut in half and reduce the amount. When will that happen? Currently, right now, we don't have an exact date. The community has not set that in place. They were about to do a halving not too long ago, but the community spoke out and they actually prolonged the date of that halving. I think there isn't an actual date yet, but I think that they're going to actually allow the 0.10 rewards to come in consistently for a while. And so I think this is an exciting thing. This isn't a referral model. This isn't a peer-to-peer model. This is purely you going to StrongBlock.com, creating your own node, and be able to earn passive rewards by doing so. And very, very exciting project, in my opinion. And they actually have a lot of things in place, as well as they have an NFT marketplace that you can actually go in and be able to purchase some of their NFT collectibles. And you can see here some of these have already sold out already. You can actually take a look at that later on. Again, I'm just doing a quick review on today's video, but essentially what I see here is something very exciting, because look at how Strong has actually performed. 90 days ago, it was only $227. Today, based on operating a node, imagine you earning 0.10 a day, but while you're actually earning rewards of a tenth of a Strong a day, the value of your token appreciates over time. Now, I love talking about pros and cons. Right now, as you're watching this video, we are currently in a bull market. What does that mean? That means that the value of the entire cryptocurrency market right now is essentially moving up and to the right. And every business, it doesn't matter if it is real estate, it's stock, cryptocurrency, golds, commodities, doesn't matter. Every business, every market goes through cycles. That means that for every up, there's always a down. And the higher the up, the harder the down. And so it's important that you understand that you manage your expectations, is that cryptocurrency investing is high risk and high volatile. Be prepared that 100% of your money could be gone. Okay. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not a financial specialist or any of that stuff. Okay. For me, I'm just an enthusiast. And I've after 4, 5, 6 years of being in the space, I actually understand what to expect for myself. And so for me, I'm more of a long-term passive player. Right now, personally, the question that you might be asking is that, have I participated in StrongBlock yet? I've done my research for 2 weeks. I do know that these are essential things that are vital on the Ethereum network. The more nodes that are actually working on the Ethereum network, the more stronger the Ethereum network is. And so nodes are very important. Definitely not a scam, in my opinion, just based on research and how blockchain works. And right now I am waiting for Strong to go down because I do have stable coins right now, meaning I have cryptocurrency that's held in value. I could essentially use Ethereum right now that I've been holding on for a while, that's appreciated value, and I could essentially use that, take profit, and use that towards activating a node on the StrongBlock. But I feel that that's quite high in terms of value of price. And I'm telling you this based on how I think. Okay, a lot of this has to do with planning, strategically getting in at the right time. There's a lot of different, it's not just on the technical thing. You have to have the right thinking, right? And maybe my thinking might not be 100%. I'm just telling you what my philosophy is that right now I am waiting for a dip. Okay, that's gonna happen. For example, right now, if I decide to activate a node, I am actually purchasing at $837 right now, which in my opinion, it's an all-time high price. However, I can wait, and I think this is kind of like, it could drop to $743, for example, if it hits this. The trend line shows that it's going up and to the right, but if it actually hits a ceiling somewhere and it actually hits right on, it drops back down here, there's a correction that could happen. Then essentially I can convert my stable coins to Ethereum at the moment and actually contribute 10 strongs at $7,430 versus purchasing and doing a contribution of $8,370. And so otherwise I can always use my Ethereum right now and actually buy 10 strong and put it into StrongBlock and actually activating a node. So these are things that you guys can consider. But here's the thing, there's also another hand, is that there's the whole FOMO thing. So like, wait, what if I wait too long and it keeps going up and up and up and up and up and up and I lose it? Well guys, you're more than welcome to buy some strong as well and actually hold for the long term. Look at the market cap right here. You can see that there's already $134 million in terms of in the market right now that is invested into Strong. The total supply is 528,886. Guys, that's not a lot of supply. So Strong is going to really start skyrocketing, right? Why is it going to skyrocket? Because there isn't millions, there isn't billions. Okay, you look at like XRP, you look at VeChain, some of these other coins that are pennies. Okay, there's billions and billions and billions and billions of tokens out there, or coins that's available, that's in the total supply. But there's only 528,886. That is nothing. It's not in the millions, it's in the hundreds of thousands. So Strong will definitely pump in value. So right now, this number right here, in my opinion, this is cheap. I don't even want to use that word. It's inexpensive. And so you can buy some, hold for long term. I think that they are solving a big problem in the market, which is most people have no idea how to host their own nodes, and they're actually making sure that they're streamlining it so that people can host nodes. They're dealing with the maintenance, and that means that more nodes out in the marketplace that's running on the blockchain. That means that there's more safety, more security, all that stuff that's happening within the Ethereum ecosystem. So hopefully that helps. I'm giving you a quick idea how it works. And again, stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to do, I am personally going to purchase a node myself. I'm going to purchase 10 Strongs, contribute 10 Strongs into a node, let it run, and I'm going to show you my results. Hopefully this video helps. If you haven't done so yet, smash that like button, subscribe, ring that bell, and make sure that you stay connected with the passive income group community so that we can continue to show you all the amazing ways that you can generate passive income within the digital space. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video.